Hello, welcome to my video. PRETTYWELL Nipple Covers for Women, Waterproof Nipple Pasties Reusable, Ultra-Thin Adhesive Silicone Nipple Cover Petals. The PRETTYWELL Nipple Covers for Women are a revolutionary product designed to provide comfort, convenience, and confidence for women seeking discreet and seamless coverage. Whether you're wearing a tight-fitting outfit, a dress with a plunging neckline, or simply want a comfortable solution to avoid visible nipple outlines, these nipple pasties offer the perfect answer. Product overview. PRETTYWELL nipple covers are ultra-thin, waterproof, and reusable nipple covers made from high-quality silicone designed to provide optimal comfort, shape, and security. These covers are an essential wardrobe companion, especially for women who want to avoid the hassle of traditional bras or want extra support under their clothes. With a discreet, petal-like shape and smooth texture, these nipple covers ensure that you can wear anything without worrying about visible nipple lines while still feeling comfortable and confident. Waterproof and sweat-proof, made from a high-quality silicone material, these nipple covers are waterproof, meaning you can wear them in any environment without worrying about them coming off. Whether it's during a sweaty workout, a poolside day, or simply in hot weather, these nipple pasties stay in place, ensuring no visible marks or awkward adjustments are needed. Ultra-thin design. PRETTYWELL nipple covers are crafted with an ultra-thin design, making them discreet and invisible under clothing. The thinness ensures they blend seamlessly with your skin and offer a smooth appearance, making them ideal for wearing under tight-fitting tops, dresses, or even swimsuits. Their thinness doesn't sacrifice comfort or durability, providing a lightweight feel without compromising on support. Reusable and eco-friendly, these silicone nipple covers are fully reusable, making them an eco-friendly and cost-effective solution for women. Unlike disposable pads or adhesive tapes, you can clean and reuse them multiple times without loss of adhesion or shape. Simply wash them with mild soap and warm water. Let them air dry, and they're ready to be used again. The durability of the materials ensures long-lasting use, making them an excellent investment. Comfortable and hypoallergenic, the silicone material is soft, flexible, and gentle on the skin, making these nipple covers comfortable to wear for extended periods. They are hypoallergenic, making them suitable for even the most sensitive skin types. The adhesive used on the back of the covers is skin-safe, so you can wear them without worrying, knowing they won't irritate or cause discomfort. Perfect for every occasion. Whether you're dressing up for a special occasion or just looking for everyday comfort, these nipple covers are versatile enough to be worn under a variety of clothing styles. From strapless dresses to workout gear, you can count on PRETTYWELL nipple covers to keep you feeling secure and confident. They are particularly useful for women who frequently wear backless or low-cut outfits, as they provide a seamless finish without the need for a traditional bra. Petal shape for natural look. Designed in a petal-like shape, these nipple covers conform to the natural curves of your breast, giving you a smooth and natural appearance. The design ensures the covers stay in place and provide a non-bulky, soft look under your clothes, which helps in achieving a polished and natural appearance. The design ensures the covers stay in place and provide a non-bulky, soft look under your clothes, which helps in achieving a polished and sleek appearance, even in the most fitted or form-fitting garments. Affordable and practical. PRETTYWELL nipple covers come in a practical pack, offering value for money. You receive multiple pairs, so you can keep a set ready for every occasion. With their long-lasting and reusable features, these nipple pasties help you save money compared to other single-use alternatives, making them an economical choice for everyday use. If you enjoy fashion hauls, Amazon try-ons, and trend reviews, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss my latest uploads.